Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderam 2.0. Good morning, everyone. Guess what? After Gamuk Tapovan trekking, I have been thinking of something real big, and I would want to have some practice sessions of hikings or trekkings before I hit the major one. Since I am in Bangalore, I would like to go with the major trekkings nearby, and I found Kudremukh in Chikmagalur. I have booked this hiking through Thrillophilia, and Antariksha Trekkers are going to organize this for us. We supposed to start around 9 p.m. from Bangalore, but due to our bus breakdown, we have started around 12 a.m. in the morning. Distance between Bangalore and Kudremukha is around 320 kilometers, and it will take approximately 7 hours. We have reached around 8:30 in the morning, and the trekkers are combination of Netravati and Kudremukha, and we are gonna part our ways here.
Kudremukh Antariksha, get in!
And here comes 4-kilometer adventurous ride to the base camp. This is our base camp. We have been provided with 10 stays for boys and rooms for girls.
It will take 3.5 hours to 4 hours to complete one side. So we will start the trek by 5 minutes. Okay, let's take 10 o'clock or 10:05. By 2 o'clock, you have to reach the peak, bro. 4 hours. It will take only 3.5 hours, extra half an hour giving you. And the main thing is, you should not waste any time by clicking the photos. That is the main thing. See, while coming back, you can do whatever you want. See, our main objective is to reach the peak. Correct? No. See, if you want to click pictures and waste your time, it's okay. Then you should not come and complain, bro, I didn't reach the peak. That is what the main objective is, to reach the peak. Later on, while coming, you can click pictures. And we'll be giving all the badges to each and everybody, and there will be also 4 local guides. In case anything happens, it might be silly, you're very tired, you're unable to walk ahead. Any leeches you encounter, nothing will happen. You can have a word with them, they will help you out. See, a small suggestion, leeches won't be there. If at all, if any leech gets into your body, don't try to pluck out. Okay. So pour some water or sanitizer something, so it will automatically fall down. If you try to pluck down, then it will be a mark. And they will only suck 2 ml of your blood, nothing will happen. Don't create any panic or something. So enjoy the trek. Create good memories. In case you have couple of Lays packets or a protein bar, you can take an empty cover, remove all the wrapper, communicate to them, or Abhishek also will be there, so he'll be leading the way. So this is also our guide, Abhishek.
After briefing, we have received a packed lunch. Except this, we are not allowed to carry any food items in the bag. Chalo, let's go and hit the summit ASAP. Initial 500-meter stretch is very steep and red muddy terrain. We are at Kudremukh National Park, where you get the permits to summit the peak. This is completely plastic-free zone area. From here, the Kudremukh Peak is of 9-kilometer distance. Don't forget to click pics with this beautiful hoarding at Forest Office. Forest officers will thoroughly check your bags if there is any plastic. At the national park, you are not supposed to carry any of the plastics. So they found tissues and dustbin cover I had to give there. As soon as you cross National Park, you get actual feel of walking in the middle of the forest. And then you experience many water streams to cross. This trek is so magical and kept surprising us with different terrains. The moment you are done with the water stream, you enter this rocky terrains. We are just getting used to rocky terrains. We entered to flat roads. That's the first glance of Kudremukh Peak. After crossing this big banyan tree, you get to walk through flat green lands. Don't you think this is scary? There are even ropes fixed in case if you are unable to control your feet on those tiny stones. This particular stretch of 1 to 2 kilometers is a combination of greenlands and water streams. By the way, forgot to tell you, he is our forest guide who is leading us the way. There were back-to-back rains in entire Karnataka. Look at the condition here. One has to walk safely on these slippery terrains. I suggest to take shorter steps at slower pace. We have almost completed halfway. It's not that tough. The terrains are very different. Steepy, and then you'll enter to grasslands. It's pretty enjoyable. So that's the peak. Someone has wiped off the kilometer count on this board. We are unsure how much to go further. This is my favorite spot of all, as it is the longest and scariest water streams to cross alone. How is the trek, bro?
Yes, it was good.
He's our lead, trek lead,
Hello.
Abhishek. How is the Josh? Kudremukh Peak of Chikmagalur is the third highest peak of Karnataka, where the first peak is Papa Budangiri and the second one is Mulyangiri. Kudremukh Peak is part of dense Sahyadritigerreserve forest area from Western Ghats. Kudremukh hiking is very much lovable for trekking lovers, but these steepy terrains make you feel tired, and even most of the people gives up summiting because of it. There was almost 1 kilometer of this steepy terrain you have to cover. Look at my face after crossing this toughest stretch. Tired?
Yes.
This is more steep. Was. The moment you think this is finally over, you had to cross another one. Trust me, if you are fit, you can make it to summit in couple of hours, but again, this stretch itself takes 1 hour as you keep taking breaks in between. We are almost near to the peak. That's Kudremukh Peak for you. If you have plans to visit Kudremukh Peak, remember this place and the tree. It is the only place you can nap for a while and enjoy the breathtaking views. How long it is?
We've been climbing down from 10:45.
Oh, okay.
Climbing up will be.
Thank you. I just spoke to one of the travelers who were descending. They have been descending for almost 1 hour 45 minutes and we are ascending. Not sure how long we are going to take. So it's not steepy terrains now, it's just flat. Not that tough, but yeah, the peak is visible, so I'm having fun. This is little scariest part, but this is the last stream also. If you have to collect water, you have to collect it here. I am going to stop this video here as this is going to be the longest one. Let's meet again in my next video of summiting to the peak. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.